I know.
He's really looking at it.
That looks crazy.
Get that shot. He looks worried.
I know.
There's no way you.
Wow, look at the leaves.
Yeah, crazy.
All right.
There's no worry when you have that. There's nothing to worry about.
Amen. Ready? Okay, today I'm gonna try something I've never tried before. Use a chainsaw. Literally have no idea what I'm doing. Y'all pray for me, but let's see how this goes. Let's do this. It says has some instructions here. I think tutorial. All right, it says release the chain brake, pump this 10 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 for good measure. Actually, let me put this on. Safety first. All right. Pull 6 times. 5, set choke to run. 5 times? Oh, maybe I should take the case off. It's the first time for everything. All right. What? All right, let's figure this out. It says pull here. So, wait. It's the first time for everything. All right, let's figure this out. There's got to be a way. I think that should be good. I guess I just wasn't pulling it hard enough. I don't know. Okay, set the choke to run. Something. Pull to start. Squeeze and release. That's not the choke. Huh. Okay. Let's try this again. So apparently the thing is flooded. And so you're supposed to pull this and then try and start it a couple times. Somebody's in the comments like, no, don't do that. Somebody help me.
Unflood, and even if you are hydrolocked, it will unhydrolock it.
This is a lesson of perseverance. Let's try it now. No. You win some, you lose some. started it. I think I almost broke it, but I started it. That's a wrap for tonight. All right, we will be looking at what happened. So, the big old storm came and crashed through everything, and from that tree over there, it kind of branch snapped off, and this huge thing fell. I cut it up yesterday with the chainsaw and sawed some stuff up, but it just mashed the fence. As you can see, it just destroyed parts of the fence. So luckily it's not too bad. I mean, this pole was just like straight bent really bad. If you see that pole, it's supposed to obviously go straight, but so some way or another we're gonna fix that, and then at some point we'll clear up all these. All right, I was able to chop everything up and get it in a little nice pile. I think I have to move the pile though so I can back out. But I also was able to get some nice sized logs. That'll be for another video, I think. But yeah, so that was cleared. That's the bug zapper they have here. And so we're gonna walk through here. If I can duck my head. And now we're gonna take care of this bit. Quite a few more. I guess we'll start with the logs that were chopped up. But I can show you up close and personal what happened to the tree. So that's the part that fell off and like really broke. I chopped that part up already. And this is the part that's of the tree that just like totally snapped off. It's just crazy. You know, it's not that big of a limb, but well, it just didn't seem like it. But there's a spider in there. But it really did do some damage. So yeah, let's try and sort some of this out. One thing I wanted to do with these big logs was kind of chop these big logs up and maybe use them for a future video. But I think at the moment they're too heavy for me to lift very far. Yeah, so I will have to get the chainsaw for that. But I have an idea. All right, so do the same thing I did over there. Chop it up, clean it up, and hopefully at some point take it out and put it back in the woods. This video is going to be a little interesting, okay? It's going to be kind of a blend. It may be totally a mistake, but we'll see what happens. What I'm going to try to do, my idea, is to try and turn this into some sort of furniture, outdoor furniture, something fun. I don't know. We got these big old logs. I got to chop them up anyways, otherwise they're not going anywhere. So why not try and make something cool out of it? So that's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to try to start this thing, and then you'll see me try and chop this up, and I'll let you know what I make, if I make anything. All right, let's figure this out. I only started a chainsaw maybe about twice in my entire life. And like the other day was the second time. You know, it was rough. It wasn't perfect. But we got 2 sides, so here we go. We've got the makings of something. There we go. Almost there. It's pretty tough, you know. All right. That looks good. After this, honestly, it's like maybe 1 chop and it's clean. We're good. We've gotten 2 jobs done at once. That would be nice. All right, so I think the chainsawing is done. I've never done this before in my life. There's no chance this is the right way to do it. And there's like a 2% chance that these 2 are even. But let's put this together. This is like a makeshift. Let's do it for fun because we had the time. And it was kind of fun. We can make this and cut this later. But it's gonna be small. It won't be pretty, but it might be functional. All right, this is gonna be the smallest. Or is it the other way? I don't know. All right, let's see. Okay. That's not, I mean, I feel like maybe you're supposed to cut the bottom too. I don't know, I don't make the rules. But let's say you just get a big nail. It could work. If you flip it over, it definitely works, but that's a hard surface, right? Okay. I may fix it later. But can you sit in it? Ta-da, it's almost like a rocking chair. You know? I don't know, win is a win. But that was fun. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that was somewhat entertaining. It was entertaining for me. The chainsaws are hard, man. But yeah, God bless. This is fun. I'm gonna look this up on YouTube. I know this is supposed to not rock, but take your wins when they come. So, God bless. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you next time.